box and I'm a bit dressed up because I'm here at the launch of the OPPO R17 Pro in the Philippines. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we were lucky because we were able to get our hands on the device while we were in China. We came up with a hands-on and quick review. I will link it somewhere on screen, so do check it out. You know, one thing I'm very happy about is that there are more and more women in the tech industry, and these beautiful women have a lot to say about the OPPO R17 Pro. So this time, the girls will talk tech.
Hi everyone, this is Mo. I'm the PR manager of OPPO. We were talking about my favorite feature of the R17 Pro. I will say the first one is the unique graded design. And the second one is a triple camera, which can capture the amazing night shots. And the third one is a superbook flash charging, which is amazing. Hope you like it. Thanks.
Hello guys, Alora Guerrero here of revü.com.ph. Now what do I love most about the OPPO R17 Pro? Well, it's the superbook charging. Why? Because it's the fastest we've seen thus far. Based on our testing, we were able to get around 70% of battery in just 20 minutes. It's from zero, guys, 0%. And with additional 10 minutes, it was almost 100%. Again, this is the fastest we've seen thus far, fastest in the industry thus far. So, perfect.
Hi, I'm Nicole Batac from Second Opinion Magazine. My favorite feature of the R17 Pro is the super fast charging. And as someone who's always on the go, I'd always need to have the phone that is capable of charging very, very quickly and is able to keep up.
Hi, I'm Chay, and my favorite feature of the OPPO R17 Pro is super good because I'm always in a rush.
Hey guys, Kim here with Yugatech, and we are here at the launch of the OPPO R17. And if you ask me what I love about this phone is that, well, as what everyone says, or as what everyone tells you, it's a super fast charging. Because it's the fastest there is. In like about 30 minutes, the phone is almost fully charged. And I'm a lazy person, so I'd be like, if my phone dies and I'm about to go out, I'm gonna use another phone just because I don't want to wait for the other one to fully charge. And well, with this one, well, they said you can charge it for like 10 minutes and you get about 40 minutes or 40%, I'm sorry. And about 11 hours of talk time, 5 hours movie, 2 hours game, and that's really amazing. So yeah, that's why I love it. And I also love the color. But so far, I have to test it out to tell you what I really love about it. It just got launched today, so I don't know if that's really the thing that would stand out for me, but we'll know in a couple of days. So we'll see. Bye.
Thanks, girlfriends, for helping me out in this video. Also, we have the price for the OPPO R17 Pro. It is 38,990 pesos. We know it's a bit steep, but if you're really interested in the device, you can get it through Home Credit and BDO. They have installment plans for you guys. Now, I know this isn't our usual video, but I hope that you liked it anyway. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to adbox.ph and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. This is Leia. Bye!